Welcome to our Daily English. Today we will learn simple English together. Let us begin our family adventure. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. I want to ride my bicycle. I love riding my bicycle. It makes me feel free. It is my favorite activity. I want to go to the park. I want to ride all day. It will be so much fun.
Please wear your helmet today. Safety is very important. I want you protected.
Do not worry, Mom. I will be careful. I promise. I want to go too. The park is fun. I love watching you ride.
That sounds like a good plan. We can all go together. It will be a nice family day.
I am so excited now. Let us leave soon. I cannot wait. The weather feels perfect today. The sky is bright blue. Everything looks beautiful. I can already see the park. There are many people there. It looks amazing. This is my favorite place. I always have fun here. I feel very happy.
Have fun, Ethan. Remember to stay safe. Do not ride too fast.
I will be careful, Dad. I know what to do. Watch me ride. I am starting slowly. Everything feels great. This is fun. You look so cool. Your bicycle is very fast. I like it. I feel more confident now. Riding is becoming easier. I want to go a little faster. My bicycle feels smooth today. Everything is going well. I am having so much fun. I am riding past the tall trees. The fresh air feels wonderful. I feel free. Now I am near the fountain. The water looks beautiful. This park is amazing. Everything feels perfect today. I wish this day could last forever. I am very happy. Wait, what is that? I see a small hill ahead. It looks exciting. I want to ride down that hill. It looks fun and easy. I think I can do it.
Ethan, please slow down. The hill can be dangerous. Ride carefully.
Do not worry, Dad. I can handle it. I know how to ride. I am going faster now. The wind feels strong. This is exciting. Something feels strange. My bicycle is shaking. I do not like this. Oh no, the bicycle is moving too much. I am starting to feel nervous. There is a rock on the path. I did not see it before. This is bad. My front wheel hit the rock. I cannot control the bicycle. Help! I am falling. Oh no. My arm hurts so much. I have never felt pain like this before. I think something is wrong. My arm does not feel normal. I am scared. It hurts every time I move. I do not want to touch it. The pain is very strong. Mom, Dad, please help me. My arm really hurts. Oh no, Ethan. Are you okay? I am very worried about you.
Ethan, I am here. Stay calm. We will help you.
Let me look at your arm. We need to be careful. Everything will be okay.
I cannot move my arm. It hurts too much. I am really scared.
You are very brave, Ethan. Keep taking slow breaths. We are with you.
I think we should go to the hospital. A doctor needs to check your arm. Your arm may be broken. We should not wait. Let us go right away. A broken arm? That sounds scary. I hope everything will be okay. Hold on to me carefully. I will help you stand up. Move slowly.
Take my hand, Ethan. We are going to the car now. You are not alone.
I am trying my best. My arm still hurts. I want to see a doctor soon. I am trying not to cry. The pain is still there. I feel very uncomfortable. Do not worry, Ethan. The doctor will help you. You will feel better soon.
We are driving to the hospital now. We will arrive very soon. Stay strong.
I have never broken a bone before. I feel nervous about the hospital.
The doctors are very kind. They help children every day. You are in good hands.
I can see the hospital now. It looks very big. My heart is beating fast.
We have arrived. Let us go inside carefully. Everything will be okay. Hello, Ethan. Welcome. We are going to take care of you today.
Thank you. I am still scared. My arm hurts a lot.
I understand. Let me examine your arm first. We will be very gentle. We need an X-ray picture of your arm. It will help the doctor understand the injury.
These machines look very large. I have never seen them before.
Stay very still for a moment. The X-ray will be finished quickly.
I am looking at your X-ray now. Let me check everything carefully. Ethan, your arm is broken. The good news is that it can heal very well.
My arm is broken? I cannot believe it. I feel very surprised.
Do not worry, Ethan. This type of injury heals very well. You will be okay. The break is not severe. That is very good news. Your arm should heal nicely.
That makes me feel much better. I was very worried. Thank you, doctor.
Now we need to put a cast on your arm. It will help the bone heal correctly. You may choose the color of your cast. What color would you like?
I want a blue cast. Blue is my favorite color. It looks really cool.
It sure does, Ethan. Excellent choice. Stay very still while I wrap your arm carefully.
This feels strange. Ah, it is very interesting. Wow, Ethan, your blue cast looks amazing. It looks like a superhero arm. Maybe I do look like a superhero. That makes me smile.
Your arm needs several weeks to heal. Please be patient and follow the rules. Do not ride your bicycle yet. Give your arm time to become strong again.
Thank you for helping our son. We truly appreciate everything you have done.
I am ready to go home now. I will take good care of my arm. It feels good to be home again. I am tired, but I feel much better. My arm is still sore. I need to be careful. I want it to heal quickly.
Let me help you with dinner. You should rest your arm tonight.
I want to draw something on your cast. A smiley face will look funny.
That smiley face looks great. It makes me laugh every time I see it.
My friends want to sign my cast at school. I think that will be fun. Now my cast has many names and drawings. It looks very special.
The days are passing by. My arm feels a little stronger every week.
I have been patient and careful. My arm is healing very well.
Welcome back, Ethan. Today, we will check your arm again. Great news, Ethan. Your arm has healed. We can remove the cast today.
My cast is finally gone. I can move my arm again. This feels wonderful. Ah! Hooray! Your arm is better now. We should celebrate together. I am riding my bicycle again. This time, I am being much more careful.
Being brave is important, but being careful is even more important. Always stay safe.
Thank you for watching our English story. Please like and subscribe for more. See you again soon.